Hello everyone, today I'm going to be theorizing not on My City Monsters, but what's going to be inside the heads. No. What are My City Monsters doing this the epic seasonals? So what are the seasonals? Well, there's these monsters that only appear here on a holiday. And they're represented by the holiday with a feature like epic yo. Okay, so what? So we got these. Epic pumpkin. I don't know why. Pretty sure they're leaving that for next year. So Epic YOLO. It's a different ID animation. Just look at YOLO here. And Epic YOLO has an ID animation that's similar to this. But this guy, has no similarities to the original ID animation. And this thing has a tree on his head, which is actually kind of cold. But there's one thing that I got on my first video, hate, because of it being upside down, and I'm sorry about that. Very, very sorry. I sent in the second video I did, and I actually put a comment saying the video was better. It showed off Epic YOLO. But what does it mean for, why is there a different ID animation? Well, it makes me think that this guy's gonna have different sounds. It also makes me wonder if the other seasonals are going to have different sounds. Well, why? Because they have a different ID animation. Like the other epics. Wait. ID. Oh yeah, they changed the monsters to fit epic monsters to fit Christmas. It's actually kind of cool. So I'm just looking at these. We should ignore this part. So we do have this good Epic YOLO. But let's go to and there we see Punkminton. And there's a rare one. What I'm guessing is that there's a new Halloween. When Halloween comes around, they're gonna release Epic Punkminton. And also we have the and then we get Hula, which is the summer monster. And its epic cousin has 2 hula hoops. Well, it only has 1. So what I'm guessing is that the rare hula is going to have 3 hulas. And they have a different ID animation. It may be like how everyone hula hoops. Yep, that's what I'm guessing. Water Rabbit, which is representing the Easter Bunny. And he has a rare counterpart, which has a really long tail. but the animation still hasn't changed. So what I'm guessing is that Epic Babbitt, I can't pronounce the names. Babbitt is going to have a different animation. Let's look at the next island. Okay, this here, but there's no seasonal monsters. There is seasonal monsters, but that's just rare. Ooh, this is Hula and their Hula. So seems to be no seasonal monsters in Epic Island. I mean, Earth Island. Aside from Hula. Okay. Sorry. There's going to be no seasonal monsters on this island. Oh, I'm just wasting your time. So what I'm thinking is that all the seasonal monsters are going to have different the epic seasonal monsters are going to have different animations and different sounds together, which is going to be really cool. And I'm excited for Epic YOLO to come, and I'm going to go visit MSM Poke Gamer and see what this guy sounds like. I'm so excited. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye. And also, I'm going to be looking at this Epic YOLO and also find out if there's any more, if other seasonal monsters are going to share this same different from their rare and common counterparts. Example, different ID animation. What do you think? Is Epic YOLO gonna have a different ID animation? Baby? Or maybe not. Leave your thoughts in the comments.